Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer designs from Canva to Printify. Go to Canva and open your project. Click on Share, and then select Download. Choose PNG as the file type, adjust the size, and select Transparent Background. Click on Download to save the design. Next, open the Printify website. Click on Catalog and select Hoodies. Choose the style of the hoodie you prefer and click on Start Designing. Click on Upload, then My Device, and upload the design you just downloaded from Canva. Adjust the design as needed. Click on Select Variants and choose the color and size options. Finally, click on Save Product, and there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.